Why infused water helps with weight loss.
Infused water is a flavorful, calorie-free alternative to sugary drinks. By adding fruits, herbs, and vegetables to water, you naturally boost hydration, which is essential for weight loss. Proper hydration can support metabolism, curb cravings, and encourage healthier habits. Choosing infused water also helps reduce overall calorie intake by replacing high-sugar beverages with a delicious, refreshing option.
Recipe 1. Lemon, cucumber, and mint.
Combine lemon slices, cucumber rounds, and fresh mint leaves in a pitcher of water. Allow the mix to infuse for a few hours in the fridge. Lemon encourages digestion, cucumber adds refreshing hydration, and mint soothes the stomach. This blend helps you feel refreshed and satisfied, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking.
Recipe 2. Grapefruit, orange, and rosemary.
Add grapefruit and orange slices plus a few sprigs of fresh rosemary to cold water. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C and a bright, uplifting flavor, while rosemary brings a gentle aroma that can help reduce stress eating. This infused water recipe is both energizing and satisfying, making it a great alternative to soda or juice.
Recipe 3. Berry, basil, and lime.
Mix strawberries, blueberries, fresh basil leaves, and a few squeezes of lime into your water. Berries are rich in antioxidants, while basil adds a subtle sweetness. Lime brightens the flavors and aids digestion. This hydrating combination helps keep you full and can curb your sweet tooth, making it easier to stick to weight loss goals.
Making infused water a daily habit.
Prepare infused water each morning and keep it handy throughout the day. Use a reusable bottle for convenience. Experiment with different fruit and herb combinations to keep things interesting. Regularly choosing infused water supports your weight loss journey by keeping you hydrated, satisfied, and less tempted by sugar-laden drinks.